everyone and welcome to my art channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of jewelry making with two incredibly popular materials, washi tape and polymer clay. My name is Elena and I'm here to guide you through the unique opportunities these two options offer to create beautiful personalized pieces. I have been immersed in my writing projects for the past 2 months, so I haven't posted any videos on this channel simply due to lack of time. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I don't just create jewelry and paint. For the past 15 years, I've been writing books primarily on women's health, and recently I published children's fairy tales and humorous stories for adults. My books are now available on Amazon in digital formats as well as in paperback and hardcover editions. The past month has been exceptionally snowy. Almost 70 centimeters of snow fell unexpectedly, and we spent nearly a week clearing our yards. It wasn't easy. The only one truly happy about it is Nanook. He loves the snow, but the sidewalks are barely cleared, making works a bit challenging. Meanwhile, my studio remains somewhat dormant, where my cat and dog are the only ones generally enjoying the peaceful atmosphere. I haven't spent much time there lately, but I have already completed a list of upcoming projects, videos, and other plans. And today we are diving into the exciting world of jewelry making with two incredibly popular materials, washi tape and polymer clay. Whether you are a beginner, crafter, or seasoned DIY enthusiast, these two options offer unique opportunities to create beautiful personalized pieces. If you subscribe to my channel, you've likely seen a few videos showcasing jewelry making with washi tapes and polymer clay. I want to share a comprehensive overview of my experience and insights in this video. Both materials are incredibly versatile, offer unique creative possibilities, and are easily accessible, making them fantastic options for crafting projects. Both washi tapes and polymer clay have gained massive popularity in the crafting community for their versatility and charm. But which one is right for you? In this video, I'll walk you through each material's advantages and disadvantages to help you decide which fits your crafting goals best. Let's get started. First, let's talk about washi tape. One of the biggest advantages of washi tape is its ease of use. You don't need special tools or techniques. Peel and stick and you're good to go. The simplicity makes it a fantastic choice for beginners or anyone looking for quick, hassle-free projects, giving you confidence to start your crafting journey. Another major plus, the variety. Washi tape comes in endless colors, patterns, and textures. From floral designs to metallic finishes, there's something for everyone. This variety can inspire you to create colorful and layered designs, adding an element of excitement to your crafting experience. Finally, washi tape is incredibly affordable and readily available. You can find it at most craft stores, online, or stationery shops. It's budget friendly, so you can experiment without worrying about breaking the bank, giving you a comfort of knowing that your crafting hobby won't strain your finances. However, washi tape does have its downsides. The first is durability. Washi tape isn't as long-lasting as a polymer clay. Over time, it can peel, fade, or lose its thickness, especially if exposed to moisture or heat. Another limitation is its use in three-dimensional designs. While you can layer it for depths, washi tape is flat, which is not ideal for creating intricate 3D shapes. Finally, washi tape is not water resistant. If your design gets wet, it will likely warp or come off entirely. So it's best suited for decorative pieces rather than everyday wear. To protect and enhance the durability of washi tape creations, consider the following options. Seal with a clear protective layer. Apply a layer of clear glue, Mod Podge, or resin over the washi tape. This creates a durable, water-resistant barrier that prevents peeling and fading. Use heat-resistant sealants for items exposed to heat, such as jewelry. Use heat-resistant varnishes or sprays designed for crafts. Combined with a sturdier base. Adhere washi tape to a firm base like wood, metal, or polymer clay, then seal it to add a structural integrity. Laminate small designs. Laminating the washi tape can offer excellent protection against moisture and water for flat pieces like earrings or pendants. These methods can significantly extend the lifespan of your washi tape projects, making them more resilient and suitable for various uses. Now let's talk about polymer clay. One of its standout advantages is durability. Once baked, polymer clay is firm and long-lasting. This makes it an excellent choice for pieces you want to keep for years or even pass down as keepsakes. It's worth noting that air-dry polymer clay, while convenient and easy to use, is less durable than baked polymer clay. Unlike its baked counterpart, air-dry clay hardens through exposure to air and doesn't achieve the same level of strength or water resistance. Over time, it may be more prone to chipping, cracking, or breaking, primarily if handled frequently or exposed to moisture. For projects requiring long-lasting durability, baked polymer clay is a better choice. It hardens permanently in oven, becoming strong and resilient, ideal for keepsakes or everyday items. However, air-dry clay is still an excellent option for lightweight decorative pieces where durability isn't a primary concern. Another big plus is its versatility. Polymer clay allows for limitless possibilities in 3D design. You can sculpt intricate shapes and textures or mix colors to create unique effects. Polymer clay can handle everything, whether you're making a simple pendant or a detailed figurine. And here's the best part: polymer clay becomes water resistant and permanent after baking. Unlike washi paper or washi tape, this makes it ideal for everyday jewelry that can withstand wear and tear. Of course, polymer clay isn't without challenges. First, these are learning curve. Mastering working with the polymer clay requires more time and effort. Sculpturing, conditioning the clay, and baking it properly all takes practice. Second, you may need specialized tools and equipment. While you can start with your hands, adding tools like cutters, texture sheets, or dedicated clay oven can get pricey. Last, polymer clay tends to be more expensive than washi tape. The initial investment might be high, especially if you buy tools and multiple clay colors. But for many, the result are worth the cost. So which material should you choose? Try both and see which one resonates with your crafting style. And if you are not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button to stay updated on more crafting tips and tutorials. To recap, washi tape is perfect and quick. Simple projects. It's affordable, easy to use, and comes in various patterns. However, it is not as durable Polymer clay is a fantastic option for creating intricate, long-lasting pieces. While it requires more time, tools, and investment, the result can be stunning. Ultimately, the choice depends on your crafting goals. Go for washi tape if you are starting or want to create something fun and straightforward. Try polymer clay if you are ready to dive into more advanced crafting and want piece that will last. And here's a pro tip. Why not experimenting with both? You might discover new techniques or ideas you hadn't considered before. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you choose the best material for your next crafting adventure. Please like, subscribe, and comment below letting me know which material you want to try. I look forward to seeing you in the following videos. Happy crafting!